Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku in an additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Big improvement day, yes. January the 16th, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left, the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, yeah, the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku, number 7812. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has exactly 24 printed digits as usual. The 4 stars has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Yeah, that's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 2 3s, 2 4s, 4 5s. Well, the 5s. Okay. How about the 6s? 2, 3 6s. No 7s. Well, first time no 7s. And we have here 4 8s and 1 2 3 9s. So the 5s and 8s are a majority. Can I start with a 5? That's the question. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5. Okay, 5 5. Alright. 5 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about 8? 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, 8 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. Well, now I cannot continue with 8. Need to wait. We have a pair. 2 and a 9. Sorry, the 2 and a 9 in this row. The 2 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9. Alright. Need a 2, 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left, the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between the only 3 places left, the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Cannot continue with 8. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. We have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left, the 6 should be there. Need a 7, need a 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 3. 7 and a 3. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. Alright, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2. Oh wait, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 now in this column, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 is left now in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, only place left the 4 should be there. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in that column. So the column with 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 I should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, third column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left of 5 should be there. So the 7 and the 3 are left, okay. Need a 1 here, need a 3, okay. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 5. Well, I think the 5 should be there, because in the first row we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. So the 5 in the first row could be here, here or there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for 5 should be there then. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 5. Could be here, could be there. The 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row, one of the missing number in the third row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for 3 in the third row. Should be there. So 1 box left now in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this second column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 7 here. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And 1 digit left in the third row for number 7. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6 cannot fill this yet. Alright, we have a 2, 2, 2, yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the 2 then? Do I have all the 2s? No, we need 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and then 9 goes there. Now we have all the 2s and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Okay, how about the 5 then? 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 there. Yeah, cannot continue with the 5. Okay. So here a 7 and a 3. Alright. We have the 7 here. 7 there. 7, 7, 7. Well. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Nope. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the mod. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. We have 1 in the last row. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2 and the 3 is missing. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit. I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Yeah. Need a 6. And I need a 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9 then. Alright. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We already have a 4 here in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yeah, this is number 3, number 4. But the 9s then. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yeah, digit number 4, number 9. Okay. So 2 numbers left here. The 7 and the 6 are missing. In the last row, we have a 7 in the second column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. I've eliminated here the 6. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there then. And 1 and the 3 are left. In this row, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Yeah. What a mess. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. Yeah. 7 and 3. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Here also 1 and the 6. Yeah. 6 and a 5. I need a 5 here. Okay, how about these? Oh, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. We already have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 6, and need a 7 here. Okay, so 5 and 5 and a 6. We already have a 6 now in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the first column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 and a 6. Well, we already have a 6 now in the first column, so this box should be a 1. So 1 box left in the middle row for number 6 then. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there, and the final 2 numbers. In this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there, finishing in 14 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. This one, it took me 60 minutes. This one, 14 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 2 puzzles, the binary, and a jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.